Hello guys, and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add events for the first time in Google Calendar. So let's go for the calendar. Let's click on calendar, search for it, click calendar to google.com. And here, as you can see, this is the calendar. You may click create. As you can see, now I have a new event here, and here's properties, add its title and its time, and that's it. You can also add by clicking here, and it automatically gives you an event of 1 hour, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down for us below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.